but whoever gets it gets it.
That's 047-432.
Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Yesterday we had a big up day in all markets. Continued hope that U.S. Congress would come to some deal and avoid falling off this economic fiscal cliff. Overnight prices, though, are not as strong. In fact, beans are down anywhere from 5 to 6 cents. Corn actually and wheat's up about a penny. Most of the markets, commodity markets, are lower. Dollar's a little bit higher. There is a little bit of uncertainty as to whether or not Congress can actually come to a plan once it gets down to the 12th hour. But anyway, prices and volumes are a little lower, and we would expect that type of volume action to slow down as we get closer to the U.S. Thanksgiving holiday. In general, the corn market's trying to balance very strong domestic basis levels, tight U.S. supply, versus the lack of an export market and concern about this economic slowdown. In the beans, you've got favorable South American weather against very strong demand for U.S. beans. We're at a record demand pace right now, and that continues to firm up the basis. For both corn and beans, we have navigational problems on the Mississippi River that may alter the flow of grain in the U.S., and that could increase cash basis levels and offer support to the marketplace. In the wheat, we were disappointed that there were 6 countries that offered wheat to Iraq in an overnight tender, cheaper than U.S. hard red rental wheat. The wheat market is trying to balance the fact that we have the driest soil conditions on history since 1895 in the U.S. Southern Plains, and it's impacting the ratings of U.S. hard red winter wheat crops to the lowest that we've seen in 25 years, versus the lack of this export demand and concern about this global economic slowdown. From a technical standpoint, the beans actually signal a negative price action. Corn is sideways, and wheat continues to look like it's a slowly downtrend market. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
I think that high is in there for a while. But I mean, it's